Hello there, welcome to my channel. Are you ready to draw a cute poodle birthday card? Well, let's get started. Okay, we're gonna start with the head. Now poodles have a lot of hair. So I'm going to draw a fluffy cloud, just like that. And that will be on top of the head of the poodle, okay? And then they have sort of like a pointy nose. So I'm just gonna draw a line going down across and then a line going in, okay? I'm just gonna curl it a bit here. Again, I'm going to draw fluffy poodle hair like a cloud. That's part of where the ears are. And I'm gonna draw more fluffy cloud just going around and around just like this, okay? And I'm just gonna join the neck there. Okay, so now I'm gonna draw the little feet, just little tiny feet and a bit of fluffy cloud around and just a little tip there. And again, the other leg, a little fluffy cloud, and just shade in the feet area. And now the back. So we're gonna just continue with the body, just around, just like that. We're gonna bring it down. And that would be one leg. Okay, and we're gonna bring it all the way across. And this is the other leg. It's a bit of fluffy around as well. The tail will be 2 lines up, and then again, a nice little fluffy cloud, just like that. Okay, so let's include the eyes. So we're just going to do 2 eyes, just like that. The nose, just a little round ball, and a slight little smile for our cute poodle. So poodles, they're very intelligent. They're the second most intelligent dog breed. And they come in different sizes, shapes, and colors. So I'm just gonna shade in, my poodle's gonna be a white poodle. I'm just going to shade it in with some yellow, okay, just around the fur. And then the body, I'm going to shade in a bit of a gray color. Okay, so they're easy to train. They're very athletic. That's why you see them performing sometimes in the circus. And also what I found interesting is that their hair grows fast. It continues to grow, so they have to be groomed regularly. So they need to be kept clean and tidy, okay? And also they prefer people than joining other pets, like, you know, playing with other dogs. They just prefer hanging around people. Okay, so I changed my camera a little bit further back so that I can draw the balloons. So I'm going to draw a little loop around the tail. It's sort of like a string going up. Now I'm going to draw a round circle for the first balloon. Okay, and then I'm going to attach another balloon here. And then we're going to bring a little loop around for this second balloon. And then I'm going to add a third balloon. And again, a nice round shape. Okay, and then just little lines here curved lines around there, okay, for our balloons. All right, so now I'm going to color the balloons, and you can use whatever colors you like. Okay, I'm going to use purple. Okay, and then I'm going to use bright pink. And then the last balloon, I think I'm going to color it red. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this out, and I'm going to glue it on paper to make it look like a cute little birthday card. Okay, so for the card, I'm going to fold a piece of paper in half, and then I'm going to fold it again, just like this. I like my cards nice and small, okay? So you have like a thick layer like this. And I cut out the poodle, and I'm going to glue it, okay? So I'm going to glue it in the front. Okay, and then in the inside, you can write down Happy Birthday. And you can even draw little hearts. And then you can write your name as well. You can even add to it, say happy birthday, Poodles of love, or hope you have the best birthday ever, whatever you like. Okay? And here's our cute little poodle. Okay, my friends, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.